Have you ever considered making stylish wooden pieces with pallets? Then you're on a good track. Creating furniture and decor pieces from wood pallets is an increasingly popular practice that combines sustainability with creativity. The benefits of using wood pallets in crafting unique items are numerous, ranging from environmental advantages to financial incentives and personal satisfaction. Engaging in this practice allows artisans and DIY enthusiasts to explore their creativity while producing functional art that resonates in today's market of handcrafted goods. One of the most significant advantages of working with wood pallets is their accessibility and affordability. Wood pallets are often discarded after use in shipping and logistics, making them a readily available resource. Many businesses are eager to rid themselves of excess pallets, offering them for free or at a minimal cost. This availability allows crafters to source materials without the high expenses typically associated with purchasing new wood. By repurposing these pallets, artisans not only reduce material costs, but also contribute to waste reduction, aligning their work with environmentally friendly practices. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish pallet wood project ideas you can make at home for sale or personal use. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The environmental benefits of using pallets extend beyond mere cost saving. Utilizing reclaimed wood from pallets helps mitigate deforestation and reduces the demand for new timber, which is a significant contributor to environmental degradation. By repurposing materials that would otherwise end up in landfills, craftsmen can minimize waste and lower their carbon footprint. This practice supports the principles of sustainability and recycling, appealing to a growing demographic of eco-conscious consumers. In a world increasingly focused on sustainable living, artisans who utilize pallets can market their products with a story of environmental responsibility, attracting customers who appreciate the impact of their purchases. Creating with pallets also allows for a unique form of artistic expression. Each pallet has its own unique character, showcasing different grains, colors, and wear marks that come from its prior life. This variability can inspire creativity, as artisans can choose how to highlight or conceal certain features. The rustic qualities of pallets lend themselves well to various design styles, from farmhouse chic to industrial modern. The ability to incorporate these distinctive traits into furniture and decor pieces not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also gives each creation a sense of authenticity and individuality. Moreover, the process of transforming pallets into furniture or decor items can be incredibly satisfying. The hands-on nature of this craft encourages individuals to engage in the physical act of creation, which can be therapeutic. The tactile experience of cutting, sanding, and assembling wood can lead to a deeper sense of connection to the materials and the final product. For many, this creative outlet serves as a form of stress relief, allowing them to channel their energies into something productive and meaningful. The satisfaction derived from completing a project and seeing the transformation from raw materials to a finished piece often fosters a passion for woodworking and design. Financially, the prospects of turning wooden pallets into furniture and decor pieces can be quite favorable. The low initial investment required for sourcing pallets and basic tools allows artisans to keep overhead costs manageable while maximizing potential profit margins. Since the materials are often inexpensive or free, the profitability per finished item can be significantly higher compared to creating pieces from newly purchased wood. Artisans can also explore various pricing strategies based on the uniqueness and craftsmanship of their products, which can lead to lucrative returns. This profitability is particularly appealing for those looking to start a side business or build an entrepreneurial venture in the world of handcrafted goods. Another advantage lies in the versatility of wood pallets as a material. They can be easily disassembled, allowing artisans to mix and match pieces to create various items, from furniture to decorative accents. This adaptability enhances creative possibilities, offering the freedom to experiment with different designs, layouts, and functionalities. Artisans can build anything from shelves and coffee tables to planters and artwork, tailoring each piece to their unique vision and the preferences of potential buyers. This wide range of applications allows for an exploration of different markets and consumer interests, which can ultimately boost sales. The satisfaction of creating personalized, custom designs is another advantageous aspect of using pallets. As consumers increasingly seek unique and meaningful items, handmade furniture and decor pieces crafted from pallets can provide that personal touch. Artisans can create one-of-a-kind designs that resonate with their clientele, often customizing pieces according to individual needs and preferences. This approach not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also creates stronger relationships between artisans and their clients. Customers are more likely to return for additional pieces or refer others when they feel a personal connection to the craftsman and their work. Incorporating wood pallets into furniture design also nurtures a culture of innovation among artisans. The challenge of working with a versatile yet rustic material encourages creativity and problem-solving. Designers may experiment with different finishes, joinery techniques, or functional features, pushing the boundaries of traditional woodworking. This exploration can lead to fresh, eye-catching designs that stand out in a crowded marketplace. The willingness to innovate not only aids in developing a signature style, but can also establish an artisan as a thought leader within the DIY community. Marketing wooden pallet creations can take on many forms, accentuating the narrative behind handcrafted goods. Artisans who repurpose pallets can share their stories of restoration and sustainability, engaging potential buyers and building a brand identity rooted in eco-friendliness. This focus on storytelling can create a meaningful connection between the product and the consumer, enhancing the allure of the item itself. Crafting a strong brand narrative can help artisans carve out their unique space within a competitive market, allowing them to attract loyal customers who appreciate not just their products, but the values they represent. Using pallets for furniture and decor pieces also encourages a sense of community. Artisans can connect with other creators through workshops, online forums, or local maker events, sharing techniques, inspiration, and resources. This collaboration fosters a supportive atmosphere where knowledge and skills can be exchanged, enhancing the overall craft. Working within a community can also create opportunities for joint projects or exhibitions, further promoting individual artisans and their work. The sense of camaraderie can add to the overall experience of creating and sharing art, providing encouragement and motivation to continue pursuing this craft. Additionally, creating with wood pallets can be a gateway to acquiring new skills. As artisans engage in various projects, they often learn techniques related to woodworking, design, and finishing. Taking the time to understand how to work effectively with pallets can lead to a deeper knowledge of wood properties and construction methods. This newfound expertise may inspire additional projects beyond using pallets, allowing individuals to expand their skill set and explore other forms of woodworking or home improvement. The desire to learn and grow in this craft can ultimately enhance overall craftsmanship while also opening new avenues for creativity and profit. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish pallet wood project ideas you can make at home for sale or personal use. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, Likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.